Alright, episode 4. And 2 special guests this time. One of them already been on our show. My name is Mustafa and
my name is Monty.
okay. Now the special guest is A. Simba.
And the king.
And B. Lift him up.
And Chum Chum.
Chum Chum. Okay. A. Simba. B. Chum Chum. Okay. See, look. Who do you think's cuter, him or I got him. Or him? What, you see him? Or him? Okay. Comment. Who's cuter? Alright. Alright, bye.
Bye. Oh, one more thing. Before we end, I would like to give a shout out to my school and my friends today. Thank you.
Yeah, me too. Thank you, guys.